freshly imported and UK registered. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the legendary Mitsubishi Delica 2010 Roadest model. Starting with the exterior, its iconic and aggressive front end sets it apart from your standard people carrier. Moving around the side, you can appreciate the boxy silhouette, which isn't just for looks, it maximizes interior space. Hopping inside from the passenger side, you immediately notice the condition. Being a fresh import, the interior is exceptionally clean. The front seats offer commanding views of the road, typical of the Delica driving position. The dashboard has been upgraded with a UK-fitted Android screen and Apple CarPlay. That means seamless navigation and music straight from your phone. But the real party piece is in the back. This is an 8-seater vehicle, but look at the versatility. The rear folding seats drop flat into the floor, creating a massive level load space. Whether you're carting around the kids or heading to the tip, this thing swallows everything with ease. At the rear, you've got a full-size tailgate. Popping it open reveals the cavernous boot space, even with the seats up. Plus, with the included reverse camera displayed on that new screen, maneuvering this big bus becomes a doddle. Sliding into the driver's seat, the layout is classic Mitsubishi. It feels robust and purposeful. The steering wheel gives you a good connection to the road. Now, one of the most important parts of an import, the mileage conversion. You can see here the odometer has been fully converted to mph and shows just 88,000 miles, which is nicely run in for one of these 2.0-liter petrol engines. So there we have it, a freshly imported and UK-registered 2010 Mitsubishi Delica. If you're interested in owning this piece of JDM history, give us a call for further information.